Welcome back guys to a new tutorial. Today you'll learn how to automatically generate and send the purchase orders POs using n8n, connecting Google Sheets, the OpenAI and email to handle supplier orders with zero manual work. This workflow retrieves supplier requests from a spreadsheet, validates order details, generates a formatted purchase order and emails it directly to the supplier. This is ideal for procurement teams, inventory managers, or e-commerce stores that frequently create POs and want a smooth automated process. So this workflow will trigger automatically when a new supplier request is added to Google Sheets. Will validate and summarize the request using the OpenAI. Will generate a structured purchase order document. Will email the PO to the supplier and update the order status in the Google Sheets. So let's start the workflow, guys. First, you have the Google Sheet trigger. For his purpose is to start the workflow automatically when a new supplier request is added to your Google Sheets. So you see the mode is every minute. Yes. The header of the sheets will be the supplier, the item, the quantity, the price, the email, and the status. What it does, whenever a supplier request with pending status appears, this node triggers the automation instantly. After that, you have the OpenAI to validate the order. Its purpose is to use AI to verify the supplier request and create a short summary for the purchase order. Resource will be test, operation completed, and prompt validate the supplier request and create a summary. So the input will be supplier, item, quantity, and price. Okay. What it does, ensure the data is accurate and provide a concise description to include in the final purchase order. After that, you have the if node to check the validation result. This will continue only if the order was validated by the OpenAI. JSON validated equal. So if not validated, the workflow will stop. If it validated, will continue and prevent invalid or incomplete order from moving to the document generation step. After that, you'll have the set node to prepare the PO details. So you have the PO number, PO plus date .now, the supplier, JSON supplier, the item, the quantity, JSON quantity, the price, JSON price, the total JSON quantity plus JSON price, the date, and the summary, JSON summary. This prepares a clean structured JSON that can be directly used to fill a Google Doc PO template. Let's continue. After that, you have the Google Doc to generate the PO. Its purpose is to create a new formatted PO using the Google Doc template. So what it does, automatically generate a clean professional PO document with supplier and order details fill in. Let's continue. After that, we'll go to the Gmail node. Its purpose is to email the generate purchase order to the supplier. On the subject will be purchase order JSON PO number. And here the message will be like this. Hello JSON supplier, please find attached the purchase order for a latest supply request. Summary JSON summary, total JSON total. Best regard, the procurement team. This send the finalization purchase order to the supplier automatically once it's generated. And the last node, that is the Google Sheet node. Okay. What it does, his purpose is to mark the processed order as sent in the Google Sheets. On operation will be update, range A to F. And what it does, keep your sheet up to date by marking complete orders, preventing duplicate processing. So that was all for today, guys. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.